Initializing recording. Okay. Alright, so we go. As you're remembering your jump, teacher's fun, I'm sure. Remember that. Oh, what is this? Okay. For the addition property. Okay, this is too slow. Let's do it this way. Here we go. Let me turn off the light so you can see it. Alright, if A is equal to B, right? And those are all real numbers, not equal to B. Yeah, A is equal to B is equal to C. Basically, if you add the same thing to both sides, then that's the addition property, right? For addition, if you go like 2 plus 2 equals 4, that's not addition, that's like closure or something, right? Addition is if you add the same thing to both sides. Right? These are all stuff that helps you to solve equations. Okay, here we go. Next property, going too fast? Oh, cool. Here we go. The subtraction property is very much like the addition property, except you just subtract the same thing from both sides. Alright, same thing for multiplication. Alright, as long as you're multiplying the same thing for both sides and it stays equal. These are all the properties of equality. We have any properties of equality. These are all the properties that make the equation still equal. Remember, if you do something to one side, then alright. There we go. For division, same thing, just divide the same thing on both sides, and the equation is still equal. Alright. Reflexive, symmetric, and yeah. Reflexive is like a mirror, right? You see yourself, and you look in the mirror, you could reflect back your own. So the reflexive property is A equals A. Sine of X equals sine of X. The square root of 2 equals the square root of 2. Yeah? Well, these are all angles, so it says angle ABC equals angle ABC. Okay. Symmetric. If A equals B, then hey, you can switch sides on the equation. Yeah, there it is. Oh, that's not it. That's it. There you go. Okay. On your quiz tomorrow, take a look at the paper real quick. So here, for example, if 2x plus 7 equals 20 minus x, then you just switch them over the other side. You got reflexive, symmetric, then transitive. It's like a train. So if A equals B and B equals C, then A equals C. In other words, cut out the middleman. If you have a train of stuff going on, right, you can just cut out the middle bit. Right here. So if A equals C, then A equals C, just cut out these, and you just got A equals C. Okay. Substitution property can get a little particular once you use it. Basically, what happens in substitution, it might look like transitive. I noticed some folks have said it was transitive before. Basically, if you replace one thing for another, so for example, if A and B are the same thing, like this one, 5x plus y is both z and 30. Therefore, you can replace the 5x plus y by both ends. These two have z and 30. Too fast, too slow, just right? Just right. All right. Distributive property again. Did we do that thing? No. Let's do it. Can we just do like baby? But distributive property over addition. Yeah. And then of course also over subtraction. So yeah, the subtraction. Okay. So here's a practice quiz. I'll get there. Right. Ready for subtraction? All right. When you're ready, you got 6 questions over there. Right. This is a practice quiz. Try without looking to see if you can tell me which property it is. This is just like a quiz. So you will not have a word bank for tomorrow's quiz. Not sure the examples for distributive property over addition and then addition. Let me know when you're ready for that. Okay, Stanford. We're still working on the self-check? Yeah. All right. If this was a quiz, how did you do? Put a star next to the ones that you missed so you know to look back at it. Questions, comments, concerns? Good? Okay, so all the properties words. Find a way to get it straight in your head for that quiz tomorrow, okay? Because tomorrow is just a bunch of examples. And what property is it? For your homework tonight. There are 4 pages. Yay! But thank goodness they're all self-checking exercises, except for the first page. The first page is going blank. The rest of them, all the answers are on there. So it looks like a lot, but it's pretty easy. Right? The last page, show me the steps, of course, no work, no credit. If there's not enough room on this, there should be. But if there's not enough, you can do it on substitute paper. Staple it, what we do first thing tomorrow. Okay? At the beginning of every class, I didn't do it for this class. At the beginning of every class, there'll be a little moment. You'll have a moment to silence your cell phone. In other words, if someone's been like lighting up your phone since first lock, you can reply to that text. But at that point, after I say have your moment, then you gotta turn it off and throw it away. Okay? All right. Any other questions? Good. What's your quiz? Pack up, but be in your seat till the bell rings. Yes, ma'am.